Hey everyone, how's it going today? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw Shoto Todoroki from My Hero Academia. I apologize if I butchered that name, it's a little bit different. I've got a lot of requests to do some different My Hero Academia characters, so if you guys have any others that you would like to see, let me know and I'll try my best to draw them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Shoto Todoroki from My Hero Academia, we're going to begin with the eyes. So we're going to start right here. I just want to make a line that's going to come up and over like this. Then we're going to leave some space and we'll do the same thing. We'll go up and over. Now, starting here, we're going to leave a little space, and we'll draw a line that's going to go over, and that's going to come up. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go over after we leave a little bit of space, and we'll come up here. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, leave a little space, and we'll come back up. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll go down, leave a little space, and we'll come back up. Then right inside of here, we're going to make a little black dot. We'll leave a little bit white. And we'll do the same thing here. Now, starting down here, we're just going to draw his nose. And his nose is going to be pretty simple because it's just going to basically be like a small little line like this. Then we're going to come down here, and to make his mouth, we're just going to do a little line here. We're going to leave some space, and we'll do another little line right here. Now, starting up here, we want to draw his hair. So we're going to begin right here, and we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down, and that's going to come up. We'll make another line that's going to go down, and it's going to come back up. And one more, it's going to go down, and then it's going to come right up to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, and it's going to curve up to here. We'll draw one that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. Next, I'm going to draw one that's going to go down. We'll come back up here. And then we'll make one that's going to go down, and it's going to come out to here. I'm going to continue this line up a little farther. And then we're going to take this line, it's going to go down. It's going to come down to here. And then we're going to come back up. Next, we're going to go down, bring it up to here. Then we'll draw a line that's going to go down and up. And one that's going to kind of come out here. And we're going to go up and bring it up here. Now, before we do any more hair, let's kind of get the shape of the face in here. So I'm going to start right about here. We're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come into here. It's going to have kind of like a rounded point at the end. Then it's going to come up and right to here. Now, to kind of finish off the eyes, I'm going to make a little line right above here and a little line right above here. Then I'm going to make a little bit of a darker line that goes right to here for his eyebrow. We'll do the same thing down here. We're just going to go all the way up to here, make it a little darker. Now we're going to come back here, we're going to draw another little line that comes up, and then a little line that's going to go out and up, and then one more that's going to come up to here. Then we'll make a line that's going to go out, and we're going to bring this up to here. Right here we're going to go down, and we're going to bring this all the way up and down, and then up. And we'll make one more that goes out, and then I'm going to bring this up to here. Now, as I get up here, I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to come down a little bit, and then we're going to go up and then connect it to here. Now we want to add like a little division line into the hair. So starting right about here, I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to come down, and we're going to go back up. I'm going to go down again and then up. And then we'll just make a couple more kind of pointed lines that come up to here. Now right over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and then up for an ear. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out and then up, and we'll make a little line right in here too. And also on the eye, I'm going to add a little line right here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and that's going to go up to here. For the hair, I'm going to add just a few extra lines in here. Not too many, but just a couple for a little more detail. Now, starting right about here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down for the neck, and then another one right here for the neck. And then starting at about this point of the neck, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come in. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out, and then we're going to come back in. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then down. And same thing here. We're going to go out, and we're going to come down. I'm going to go down on each side. Then we're going to come in and down again, and we'll go in and down again. We'll take that to the bottom. Then I'm going to bring this line in on each side. Then I'm going to go out and down on each side. Then a line that's just going to come straight down on each side for the shoulders. Then starting right about here, we're just going to draw a little line across. And then right here, we're going to make a little line down. Then I'll make a couple little lines down here that are kind of broken. And then we'll make a couple quick little lines here, just to kind of show some detail on the neck. And there you go. There is your drawing of Shoto Todoroki from My Hero Academia. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.